Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have been wondering how can you create a Game Pass in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile. You're in the right place because today in this video I'll show you how can you exactly do that in a very easy and straightforward method. Just follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. Now we're going to be using the browser, so open any browser of your choice and go to roblox.com right here. Make sure you are logged into your account and then we need to turn on or enable the desktop site. Tap right in the top right corner on these three dots, then tap on desktop site. So once you tap there, wait for the website to load up again. Once it does, it's going to be a little bit zoomed out, so zoom in right here and then tap on create at the top right here. Once you tap there, you'll be taken to this screen. Wait for the screen to load up and then next to experiences, go ahead and tap on view all. Once you tap there again, wait for the next screen to load up. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. And then from here, you need to go ahead and tap on your place that you should find right here. So tap right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and then zoom into the top left corner and tap on these three lines in the top left corner of the screen. And then from there, tap on associated items right here. Once you tap there, you'll be taken to the screen. Tap on passes. Once you tap on passes, you need to go ahead and tap on create pass, this blue button right here. And finally, from here, you can go ahead and upload an image if you want, give a name for your pass, and then give a description if you want. Of course, these will be shown on your stand on Please Donate. You type everything correctly if you want and then tap on create a pass right here, and you can finally go ahead and use the pass on Please Donate and people will donate Robux to your account. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one, guys.